This is Brooks, copywriter by day, novelist by night, and hardcore gamer on the weekends. At work, he uses a Mac. At the coffee shop, he writes on his iPad. And on the weekend, Brooks uses his hand-built PC. Now there's a mechanical keyboard as versatile as Brooks's interests. This is the KS-1 mechanical keyboard from Smartinny, one of the first mechanical keyboards featuring an Apple key layout. The mechanical keys give the discerning typist bounce back they expect. The mechanical switches give you the response you need for serious gaming. And with Bluetooth connectivity, KS-1 mechanical keyboard works with all of your devices. This keyboard goes beyond versatility with its compact metal design and RGB lighting system. KS-1 mechanical keyboard is as unique as you, but versatile enough to handle all of your interests, which are always expanding. What are you waiting for? KS-1 mechanical keyboard is just the right one you're looking for.